Detective Niecy's Custom. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Today I'm going to take you along with me to make a custom DTF shirt from start to finish. We're going to design it, print it, and press it. So if you've ever been curious about how DTF shirts are made, this is one for you. Alright, first things first, let's jump to my computer. As you can see, I already have my design already made up and finished, and I already saved it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I saved my file. But first thing I'm going to tell you, I went ahead and I made my design in Canva, and I just brought it over to Silhouette Studio. I usually don't do that. I usually use Canva like 10%, and my Silhouette Studio design shop 90% of the time. So this was something quick that I had to do, so I just went over to Canva and I did this design and I just brought it over. You can do that too, or you can save it from Canva and just save it as a PNG file and put it on your hard drive. Okay, but once we did that, if you brought it over from Canva, make sure that, well, you could do it in Canva too, but I usually, this is what I do. I don't know what about anyone else, but this is what I do. I bring it over here to Silhouette Studios and I like add little things to it, like the congratulations or whatever. I added that to this file right here, my design from Canva. And once I finished with that, I went ahead and I saved it to my computer, my hard drive. So I hit save as, I hit save the hard drive. I changed the name. I make sure I put it at a PNG file. Hit OK. Another screen is going to pop up. I hit transparent background and I move my pixels up so I can have that high resolution. And I hit save. Okay, since I already saved it, I don't have to save it again. Okay, you always want, when you're doing DTF or any other design, you always want to make sure that your design is in high quality. If you're doing this, you know, on your computer at home, and make sure that your resolution is at least 300 dpi for your best print results. Okay, once we got this right here done, you already have your design already, you know, you already got your artwork already ready to go. Then what I do, because I have a separate laptop that I use for my DTF, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you that now. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm over here with my DTF machine. Actually, the computer, the laptop, and the DTF machine and the oven, all that came together. So you don't have to buy an extra software to print out your DTF prints on your own computer. Everything comes together. So every morning what I do to my DTF machine, I always do a print head cleaner and a nozzle cleaner every morning and every day when I'm closing up my shop. What you hear, the sound that you hear, it's the white ink and has a motor in there to keep the white ink mixed. So this how it looks. That's your waste tank, the black, magenta, yellow, and painting. I think I said it right. And when I come in the morning, I turn on my switch in the back, turn the power on, and I always hit the white ink circulation to get my white ink to going, and I hit ink extraction. I do that every morning. And at night when I'm about to leave, I always clean my print head cleaner. I always use this every day. That's how you're going to keep your DTF machine running smooth with no problems or anything like that. You can use the DTF machine 13-inch single sheet, but I found it very easy just to get the roll. So once since I showed you all that about my DTF machine and what comes with it, we're going to go ahead and get that artwork that I did. I had to save it on my thumb drive, so I just bring my thumb drive over here and I put it in my USB ports. And I got this from Amazon. And this right here is your program. This is your software that comes with the computer. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open that program up, and that's how that program looks. You come over, you can minimize and maximize it from right here, or you can just put the sizes in. So since I have it at the size that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and rip it. Okay, and it's going to show you the print preview on how it's going to look. It's already going to be mirrored for you and everything, and just hit print. Now since that's already is at 100%, as you can see, it's coming over here to my DTF machine. Okay. Now it's printing everything out. Okay, once your DTF has finished, you can move it up. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. And it comes with a cutter, so you can cut it off. And you move it over here to the powder. Like that. And make sure you get the powder on all of it. See, the powder is all over it. I think I did good with one hand. And you put it in the oven. I usually put my oven on 140 for 151 minutes, and I hit the start button. Okay. If you hear that sound, I'm doing another print of the same design on my DTF machine, and it's counting down. And that's when it's going to let you know that it's finished. You hit the button again. You lift it up. You get your design out. And you come over here with your design. I already pressed my shirt and got all the moisture out. Then you put your shirt on your heat press, and I'm pressing it 320 degrees for 20 seconds. Okay. Once you do that, I usually don't put no Teflon sheet on the press. I press it like that. That's what it recommends for you to do. And I just wait until the 20 seconds is up.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Okay. Once that's finished, you don't have to wait until some DTF film, you have to wait until it cools off. But this particular film that I have right here, you don't have to wait. It's a hot peel, and you just peel it off. And I go in with my Teflon sheet, and I press it again for 20 seconds, like that. Once that's finished, I pull it off. Then I move it to my table. Yes, look at that crisp, clean, and ready to wear shirt. And that's it. From design to print to press, that's how I make my custom DTF shirts at Niecy's Customs. And yeah, it's custom. So I forgot to tell y'all about that. If you like the video and want more behind the scenes look at what I do, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. If you want to see me make something else, go ahead and put it in the comment section as well. And if you want to order a custom shirt, just visit my website, yeahitscustom.com. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.